How to monetize Facebook professional mode. In a previous video, I discussed about what this professional mode is all about. If this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that once I drop valuable videos like this, you will be informed and you'll be able to consume them at ease. In this channel, I do so much about teachings. I teach people skills. I also teach people how to make money from the little skills they have. And we all are here to consume that together. All right. Okay. So this video on how to monetize your Facebook professional mode. If you don't know much about this professional mode, you can check on the description section to see the video on what this professional mode is all about, so that you can take your time to go through it before you can proceed into how to make money from it. But then let's move into the subject of the day, which is how to make money or how to monetize Facebook professional mode. So now, in professional mode, you have access to a bundle of professional tools, enhanced safety features, and monetization products if only you are eligible. Yes, if only you are eligible. So on the previous video, I activated an account into a professional mode. So you can go through it to see to how you can do that, like I said earlier, before coming to this video. So to monetize your content, you must meet the eligibility requirement first. So Facebook is either going to send you a notification, or you are going to see the notification, or you are going to see the turn on professional mode activated on your account, so that once you activate it, like I demonstrated on the previous video, once you do that, you are already eligible. So now, how do you make money online? Before we dive into this very professional mode. Now, digital space has to do with game of numbers. Now, people you influence upon determines what you are going to be earning. It is not just about activating the professional mode, but all about influencing upon audience. So once you activate the professional mode, it means you are a digital creator, you are a content creator. So you are going to be monetizing your content. Now, if you create content and people are engaging with your content, there's that tendency that you are going to convert that engagement into money. And that's what this Facebook professional mode monetization is all about. So now, what are the ways you can make money from this? What are the different ways you can monetize your professional mode? Now, number one is ads on Facebook Reels. So if you meet the requirement, you can use your profile to earn money on Facebook. And no, this is not applicable to people below the age of 18, only people above. So how does ad on Reels works? Now, if you create your video and you upload them as Reels, as people view your video, Facebook is going to be showing ads on your Reels. So as people are advertising, they are going to show ads in line with your content. Then as people watch these ads, they get to pay you. Yes, they get to pay you. So you can place ad directly on your public shared Facebook Reels to earn money. So once you activate it, Facebook can place ads on your Reels and they get to pay you. And this is what happens on YouTube as well. This is what happens on YouTube, and this is what happens on for blog ads. So it has to do with the kind of people you have. So the more people that view your content, the more money you are going to make. So you should be concentrating on building followers, building audiences that will engage with you. So the content you create, the valuable content you create, is going to make you eligible to making more money. So it's not just about throwing content. So you need to learn about creating engaging content, valuable content that people are going to show much interest on, people are going to be engaging with daily. That's number one. So the number two is in-stream ads. This has to do with ads appearing on your videos too. So the other one was Reels. This one is more of in-stream ads. So you can decide to create a video, an engaging video, which, Reels are short videos. Yes, they are short videos. Now, these in-stream ads now could be your videos, such as your long-term videos or your short-term videos on Facebook. So once you upload them, As people are viewing them, Facebook are going to be showing ads on them. You must have seen creators, some creators where once you publish or once you are viewing their videos, you see this ad is to promote so. That is what happens, and that happens for page. But now Facebook is bringing them into your profile, into your personal profile, not page again. So for your personal profile on your page, you can turn them into a source of income. So if you're a content creator, this is the right time for you to start making money on Facebook. Yes, it is no longer about YouTube. You can turn your profile now on Facebook to a source of income. So that's what the Instream ad is all about. Now, in terms of subscriptions, now, Facebook allows you to monetize content with, like, the monitor the content you share with your fans to make predictable earnings and create deeper connections with your audience. Now, there is this tendency that your fans can decide to just donate or give you royalties, give you yes, they can decide to donate, subscribe to what you do, and you'll be earning from it. So these are different three ways you can make money from your professional mode. So if you have not activated yours, you should try to activate yours. If you are not eligible, just keep creating engaging content. If it demands you creating reels, create short engaging reels and upload to your account. Engage, drop videos on your account, create posts that people engage with, and you'll be surprised when they will send you that notification, uh, that professional mode notification, and you'll be able to activate. So once you see that, or from time to time, you can check if you are eligible. Just like I did on the previous video, you can check on my channel on the video on how to activate Facebook professional mode. Once you check on that video, you see to how I was able to activate an account live, so that you can learn how to activate it, and you can activate your account. You can do this for people and make money from it. Yes, some person don't know how to go about it. You can activate account for people and they get to pay you. That's a way to earn money too. Or you can create a course like this for people, teach people how to do it. They are going to pay you. You're already making money from knowing about this professional mode. So there are different opportunities now regarding that professional mode. All you need to do is just to grab it early, jump into it as soon as possible, because we don't know if there is going to be any change. There is a whole lot about this professional mode. So you should not be missing it. You should not be missing it. I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell and also give this video a thumb like, so that YouTube can take it viral to more people, and the video will be solving a lot. It will be helping people to also turn their profile into a source of income. So remember to subscribe to the channel if this is the first time to this YouTube.